Let us see how to create a draft in a component. First go to the new, select the partition. Okay. So first create the block, draw rectangle, exit, exit from the sketch. Now extrude, hit play, and then OK. Now using split line, let us split the surfaces, projection, intersection, select front plane, and select the faces, and then tick mark. So now we have divided the faces, all the three faces. Now let us see how to use the draft command. So there are three options: and neutral plane, parting line, and step draft. Let us see the how to use a neutral plane while drafting. So first select the neutral plane. I will select the front plane and faces to draft. This face and this face. And angle of draft we have to mention. So I will give 11 degrees and then OK. So the component is drafted now. Let us see the other options. Press Ctrl Z to come back. Select the draft, parting line, select the parting line, and direction to pull. Select this, select the front plane. Now I have mentioned 11 degrees for the angle, then give OK. So it is drafted inwards. So to draft the faces outward, we have to select we have to change the direction of pull. Right click, edit feature. So here we have to change outwards. So now it is drafted outwards. I will delete this. Now let us see the other option, that is step draft. Select here, select the parting line, and direction to pull. I will select the front plane and then give. So it is drafted inwards. To draft downward, I have to change the direction of pull and then give. So this is how we can draft the component using draft command. Thank you for watching.